Okay, so once again, good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Okay, till yesterday we discussed specifically in ServiceNow that how to create a table specifically. If you create a table without extending, what is extensible, what is the auto number, how to create a module, all the things you people see basically. Okay, today what we'll do, I will show you that how this table fields coming on the form, at how you can make a changes, how you can design your own form basically, right? So let's take example. I'll go here. I'll take this one, learn grow batch 4. Okay, let me go to the application here. Okay. Okay, these are the two modules available. Okay, let me go to the table here. Or let's create a new table. Then I'll show you that what I want to show you. Go tables here. New one. Let's put a table form view. I'm not extending it with anyone. Do you want to create a module? Yes. Where do you want to create a module? I say put into the learn and grow only. Okay. This thing you know, let me click on the submit quickly. I submit it here. So my table has been created with one module called the demo underscore table underscore form view. Okay. Now let me go here and search for the demo. Okay. Click on the module and change the link type to the new record. On this table, that's fine. Click update, close all these things. And now let me refresh. Okay, nothing is appearing on the form as of now because I did not design my form till date. Okay, let me show you one more thing here. Okay, now one more thing which is required for you guys. Start remembering the table name, basics table name. What is the user table name, group table name, role table name, incident table name, change table name, because you are going to be a developer now. So you see, I just open the link here and I put the table name. It open a new record for me, right? So you should know this thing. So now you can see on this form, I have many fields available. Okay, some are this one. This is called the reference one, which we create now, and some are the drop-down values. Let's create two fields in our table as well. Okay, shortcut, go here, right click, configure, and table. Simple shortcut. So these are the 6 attributes. These are the 6 columns. These are the 6 dictionary entry created by ServiceNow by default or out of the box when you create any table without extending it. Let me get a new one here. And this will not come on the form unless you will add specifically. Okay, I'll say I want a string. Okay, what is the column name? Maximum length, I said 20. Rest you can skip it as of now, no worries. Click on the submit. Let create. See, the field which you create showing by the X, it means you can delete that field as well. Let me create one more field. Gender, maximum length 20. Now it is saying choice. I'll show you choice how this works specifically. Let's save it. Now go to our this one. Demo. Open this. Go ahead. So these two things are coming for me, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? All clear or not clear, guys?
Yes.
No, clear.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay. So now you can see first name and gender which is coming. That's fine. Okay, let's keep it like this. I'll tell you that how to put a value in that. Let's create one more field here. Table, and let me close this. Okay, two fields are there. Now let's create one more field called the manager. And that I'm saying it should be reference field. What do you mean by the reference? It means in reference means I am calling some another table data in my table. Let's say father's name. Okay. Now see, it's showing me asterisk mark. It's saying to whom you want to refer. Let's take example. I am sending a package or a gift to Harsha house. Okay, but that package belong to Vishwajit. Okay, I tell to Vishwajit, go to Harsha house and give my name. You will get the packet from her. Now in this case, I am a reference here. Because when Vishwajit go to Harsha house, she will say, hey, you know, there's a trainer Atul, he sent some package for me. So it means here he's guys, just एक मिनट याद है. Okay, so it means that Vishwajit has a lot of trainer in his knowledge, but he says there is a trainer name. What he said trainer name is he go to the trainer table in his mind and say there's a trainer named Atul who sent a packet for me. Please give it to me. So in the reference I put the reference table that from where it show the value of the father name. I say it should show the value from the user underscore group sys underscore user table. That is the reason I'm saying that you guys should remember the table names now. Click here and click on the save. Maybe you are getting confused. Let me show you easily. Okay, let me copy paste here. Okay, go here demo and I'll click here. Now you can see here. Now if you click here, string drop down, and this is called the reference one. See, look up using list. It means the value which you show here is basically stored in some other table, not in this table. So now if you want to see your name, Aditi, Ara Mahajan, let me say Tanvi, it's there. Let me say Prashant. Yes, like this. It means in IT industry, if anyone, suppose I call to a customer care, okay, and that is a banking customer care I'm calling. He tell me, okay, sir, thank you, Mr. Atul, for calling. I verify that you are son of Mr. XYZ. How he's verifying? Because in their database they store my father name as well, and they using somewhere in the lookup table that when I enter the name Atul Grover, father name should be appear here. Or let's take example. Now you are calling to one of the customer care. Okay. And this says, okay, XYZ, thank you for calling. You are calling from India. How they know you are calling from India? Because once they see your record, they say your location is India. It's appearing in my database. How this value is coming? Because they put up the lookup table in the background for the same. So if you go here.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಏನೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
If you go here, now you see, what do you mean by the caller? From where it is coming? It is coming just from the user table. You want to see, right click and show caller ID. You can see reference from the user table. Do you want to see this assignment group? This is coming from the sys_user_group. Right click and show assignment group. sys_user_group. So you can make any field as a, what I can say, reference, but it is up to you that how you want to utilize that field, what value you want in that field. Let's take this example. Configuration item. This is coming from the CMDB_CI table. See reference CMDB_CI table. Forget about all these things. Just remember, as of now, for you, it is be required like this only. Okay, so what we did, we're putting like this. Samjhe? Any doubt, any question till this point?
How many fields we can add in this form?
How much requirement do you have?
Okay, there is no limit.
Okay. Think from a consultant perspective. I forget who is Tanvi, right? Okay, sorry. Tanvi, question to you. Definitely you done your graduation as well, right?
Yes.
When you fill the college admission form, how many fields they have?
Yes, according to their requirement.
How many? Just put a count. So 20 fields.
20, 25. Yes.
Okay. If you want to create a college form, how many fields you will put?
20 to 25 only.
Maybe some limit, let's say 30 as well, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now when I say as many as you can put, if I create a form which contain 100 fields, what will be your first question to me, or what will the first feedback for me? Atul, are you mad? It's a form. It's look so messy to me, right?
Yes.
It means we should ask only those, we should bring only those fields on the form which is required to be filled by the customer, which is required to process the request in the minimum data. See, there's a lot of things. Why you did not bring the created by on that field? Because that is not required. That is ServiceNow storing automatically. Let's keep this father name or first name Atul. Let me put first name XYZ, father name Able Tutor, and click submit. You submit that part. Now, if I cannot go there. We don't have a list view, right? Go back, it will not work. This one. Let me bring it here. These three fields we created: father, first name, and gender. Created by, updated by. Okay, now if you see here, Do you think that we need to bring the credit by on the form level? Why you want to show to the customer that who's created this form? Hey, I'm submitting the form. I'm creator the form creator, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to
Yes.
show when it has been created? I know that I'm filling it now. Better to show the field on the list view. Okay, when it has been updated, when it has been created, that is good. But why you want to show on the form level? So being a consultant, being a functional or the business analyst consultant, you should know this thing that how many fields you should put on the form level. More fields you put on the form, your form will be heavy actually. Have anyone using the Quora here? Quor. There's a website
Yes.
Quora.com.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
if you open that app on your mobile phone, it take minimum 30 seconds for me to open the home page only. Why?
Yes.
Because that contains a lot of content on the form view, which is not required. Maybe that is not required for me, but still taking a lot of time. Clear? So that is the one of the thing as a consultant you have to be remember that which field is important to bring on the form. According to me, if I click on the new, I don't want the father's name. It's not required for me on the form level. Let's put in the list view. That can be the thing, right? Now this this thing has been clear to everyone so that we can proceed further.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, okay. Ashwini, Arun, Prashant, Vishwajit, Tanvi, Dhanashri, Vinoj.
Yeah,
Yes.
here can you show us with the date format? Because I mean this
Okay.
was yeah, please. Date and the numerical. That will be easy then.
Date and the numerical.
Yeah, let's say like filling up the some numbers, right? Out of 1 to 5, like a rating. Let's say.
Oh,
Uh,
that is the that you have to go for the choice one. We will create a gender choice, male and female. We'll
okay,
put it there.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So it is just now your understanding, your homework that how many fields or how many type of fields you want. Okay. Let me change from the first name string to integer only. It is not integer. Let me put what else we can use here. See images you can use. Need to see what else we can use here. IP is 33 now. We need to be see everything here. But you can get that option easily. That's not a tough part here, Arun. Okay. Now, what next point I want to show that how to add a gender choice here. Definitely, you put choice field for the gender. Then what you want to show in the gender, male, female, you want to show. By default, it's showing me this thing. It's gone. We should put now very small name for our table actually. See, it's showing only one thing, none. From where this none is coming, we did not configure anything. Let go here. If you see here in this field, okay, it's showing choice list specification. I said put none as a default. Do you want to create a choice list? Yes, you can create. Go here. Choice. Very, very, very important point to be understand here. There's a called label and there's a called the value. Let me put label as a M, value as a male, and put sequence as a 1. Let's submit it. Nothing much. Let's submit it. Done. Is it appearing now? Yes. See. What is this appearing? Label or value?
Label.
Label.
Label. Correct. Why I give this differentiation here? Let me show you. Oh. Next time I'll put just only two words table name. Okay, go here and go to gender. It means label is one thing which appear on the form level. This one. Okay, so whenever we use in our coding, always remember that try to put the label and the value should be the same, equal. Actually, let me click here. When I say equal means the similar value you should put, because when you do a scripting, I want to show the records where the gender is male. And we generally forget that we put a male in the label or in the value. So better use this thing. That label and value. Label means which is appearing for the customer end, and the value means which you are storing in your background. Like I say, introduce yourself, or in the interview asks introduction, please. In the background, what this mean? Please introduce yourself. There is a complete sentence, but what he's saying, introduce. That's all. That's all. So value basically we use when we want to do some modifications, some corrections, or some scripting part, then we use the value. And it is always recommended that you use the label and the value similar. Don't put males or m-ales. No, male and male, that is easy for you to be recognized. That is easy for you to be do the scripting part in the later on time. Okay, now let's add one more value here. Where is my table? Yeah, so much. Wait. Close all others. Let's go here, table. Let me make it as a favorite one. Table. Now let's do one more thing. Just add one more value. Now what you guys need to do. You guys need to create a form today. Okay. You can use the yesterday's table only. That's fine. If you want to do it from the this one new table, you can create a new table as well. Create a form. Everyone form should be different. That is up to you guys to decide internally that what form I need to be create. Create an exam form, create a user admission form, create a gym form, create a Karyana form, create a grocery form. I don't care. I need minimum 8 to 10 fields on each and every one form. And out of 8 or 10 fields, minimum 5 to 6 are the different type of fields. Integer, string, image. These things you have to be do. Again, no spoon feeding from my side. Think from your perspective. I give you a lot of options here. You can go and think about the same. Maybe someone can create a personal identification form. Someone create an income form. Someone create part-time job form. See, in Naukri, a lot of things are there, right? LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster. Pick up some sample and create your form in the service now. Okay, maybe you can use Ola and Uber as well. Your destination, your address, your pickup time, your drop time. You can use that part. Now let's create one more choice here. Okay. And try this thing as well. In the choice, we have a 3 drop downs: without, none, with, none, suggestion. Try these different options. Okay. Now let me create a. Oh, we did not save that. Let me save it. Okay. Now go here. Go back. Let's create one more choice here. male, female. Dependent value. If your age is more than 18 years, only then your name should be, or you can enter the other details in the record. It means if I select male, or if I select some value in the dependency, because this will not work actually for me. So there's a concept called the category and subcategory. Let me show you here. This one. If I select the category as an inquiry, subcategory coming as an antivirus. If I change my category as a software, my subcategory also coming as an email and OS. If I change it to the network, this has been changed. Right? Homework for you. Who will note down? Arun. First homework, create a form with minimum 8 or 10 fields, different type. Second homework, do a R&D on this particular stuff. Choice one, that how many different type of choices you can put it. Okay. And third thing, go to the incident form and read about this. Not incident form, go to the incident table and check these two fields, how these fields are be working for us. Okay, when I select as a network, why only these things are coming? When I select as an inquiry, these things are becoming. Okay, this is called the dependency part specifically. Okay, there's the thing. Now let me not go in that area now. You guys tomorrow will discuss that how this can be taken care. Read about these things. Okay, these things, how this be working, because this will be utilized, this will be used a lot of time in the industry. Now, when I open this, let me go here. Let me mark as a star here. Okay. The first question, Atul, it's not look good to me. First name, इतना बड़ा कोई first name होता है किसी का? ना. Gender, इतना बड़ा. Father's name, इतना बड़ा column. No. Then what to do now? Now the change you want to do on this particular place, it is called the configure in the form design or form layout. There are two ways to do the same thing: form design, form layout. Girls like the design, boys like the layout. Let me show you the layout first. This thing. Layout means that if you want to add any new field, see another option I'm giving to you. If you want to add new field in the form without going in the table, how you can do? Go here and you can see create new field. What type of field you want to do? I want to do the, let me not put address. Birth time, so that Arun wish can be completed as a date and time. Okay, and add. See, it is coming automatically. Let me show you one thing. Save. It's saving the form now for me. You are consultants. You should be smart now. See, added. Arun happy? Date and time is available.
Yeah.
Okay, but still my requirement is not fulfilled. Atul, I am not liking this here. What is this? It's big. Let's do something more here.
So can we divide or separate?
Yes. Go to the form layout. Remember, ServiceNow is a user experience tool. Put the split here. I'm not sure that what this split will do. Let's see. And this split here. Save. I'm 100% not sure that what it will do. Nothing is doing, just it putting some lines in between or something is be space has been increased. Let me do
Yeah,
one more
yeah, as a breakup.
as a breakup only. Let's go here. Okay, nothing else it is doing. Atul maza nahi aaya. Now, okay, one more thing. See what we did. We make father's name as a reference. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Right, right.
If you see here, father's name is appearing in the green color with the plus sign. It means now you can use the user table field in the your table as well. Click here, click on this icon. I want to show father business phone. Le bhai. I want to show father country code. Le bhai. I want to show father date format. Le bhai. I want to show father company name. Le bhai. And click on the save. See, are these fields in my table? U underscore demo? Definitely no. Yes or no?
No, no.
No.
Harsha, Tanvi, Dhanashri, Aishwarya, Ashwani. Are these fields are on my demo field, demo form or demo table?
No, sir.
No. Then how this be appearing here? Because you go to Vishwajit, go to Harsha house. Okay. Vishwajit say, okay, there's a trainer named Atul. Okay. Can I get his phone number? Number one. Can I get his address? Number two. Can I get his email ID? Number three. So he is just using the reference table called the trainer. But in that reference table, he is able to get all the attributes which Atul contains. Atul ka date of birth, Atul ka Facebook ID, Atul ka LinkedIn ID, everything you find out now. So this is the way that architect designed the form. That if I want to show something to the customer which is not in my table, can I use some other table as a reference and bring the fields on my form here? Okay. So now when you do your form creation, think, can I get, suppose if I change the reference to the user table, as of now, sorry, it's a user table only, change the reference to the group table, then I can see group name, group email ID, group manager name as well. Okay, so this is the another benefit, that if you putting any reference field on your form, on your table, you can utilize the everything. Reference, what reference means? Atul, I'm looking for a job. Can you have a reference? It is a reference only. Atul, I'm going there. Can you have a reference to who can give me a good hotel booking? This is a reference only. You are using my name, you're using my phone number, you're using my identity to get your things done. In the same way, I just use the father name as a reference for the GCS user table, but I can get the all other details of the father as well. Okay, still point is not clear that Atul, how this be appearing in this manner? I don't want in this format. I want something in this format. Now I'll show you the another part. Go here and click on the form design. Ladies special edition, I can say. Okay. ServiceNow, I told you one thing in the beginning of the class. ServiceNow is working on the two things. Low code LOW or the no code NO. And this is one of the example of that same only. Till now, I can see the things like this. Arun, I'm putting you on the mute here. Sorry. Okay, thanks. Okay. Till now, everything is appearing in a single line, which is not good to me. Let's go here and click on the two column. Now, drag this and drop it here. Now, drag this and drop it here. Let's put and remove this. It is no longer required. This is also I want the two-way. Okay. Go here, drag and drop. Go here, Drag and drop. I want a new place like this. Click on the plus. Two-way, yes. I want the name of the created by as well. Okay, boss, ले लो. I want the updated by as well. ले लो, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. And click on the save. And now go here and reload it. See. Clear fundamental now. Now it's look good, right?
Yes.
Sir, मजा आ गया.
I have
Girls,
one
yes.
question.
Good. Good.
So if you see here, like we have two word, right? Let's say business phone, right? Can we have only one name, like mobile number, or let's say instead of country code, can we have only country?
No,
Because
no.
these are the
No,
same
no.
things which are coming up,
No.
from the
These
because
are the field
right,
label. If you change, you need to be changed in the user table. And if you change the user table, it will impact in the everyone.
right.
Okay. So better what you can do, if you want, you can create a new field on the form, or you can create a new field in your demo table and put as a country and refer to the location one.
Agree. So let's say for example of country code, I want only the as a country, and then I can refer this part to the country code.
नहीं समझा रहा हूँ, sorry. Can you repeat?
What I'm saying is, let's say here, I mean, it doesn't make any sense to show like country code or date format, right? Because for the user, for the client, they know
Wait,
it. Right?
wait. Okay, wait. These are just the example I'm showing you. Because these are coming from the user table.
Right.
Okay, I just show that, okay, in the user table, you have these many fields, so you can bring it on your form. Do one thing, everyone should utilize one field, create one field called the location in your form and refer to the CMN underscore location table. Okay, then you can utilize that, but you can see location, site, address, everything you can see there. Then bring that fields on the form, because this is just a reference I give it, that okay, these fields are available for me, I can show to you. Clear? Or any doubt? Arun?
Actually, my question was only around the renaming part. I mean to say, like
No.
let it
You
be
cannot.
there.
You cannot do. If you want to do the renaming of this, you have to do in the user table, and that is not a recommended because that is a system definition table,
Right.
system defined table. So that is not recommended here. If you want to rename, you can do it. Create a new field in your own table. Number one part. Second part, there is an option available that is called the dictionary override. That is called dictionary override. That we will discuss in the very later on the class. That how you can override. Maybe in the task table you make it as a mandatory, but in your table you don't want as a mandatory as this. Then you can do that part. That come in the dictionary override.
Okay, because just now we saw this, the value and the label, right? So over there we were showing as
Yes.
a refer M as a male, right? So we
Yes,
are giving
yes.
only initial words, right?
Right.
So I was just thinking from that angle, right? If we can have option of renaming it, then it will be easy.
No. Not
Okay.
now, but definitely in the dictionary override we can pick up this.
Okay, sure.
Second point for you guys. Need to be C, need to be identify. Let's see, assign to. I am putting the user group. This is coming from the sys underscore user underscore group table. Assign to is coming from the user table. See, sys user table, right? Now what you have to do, you have to be see how this configuration has been done. If I put a group here, let me put in a group. Batch 4 admin. Why only these names are appearing? Why not other names are appearing? Why Tanvi name is not there? Even though this is reference from the user table only, right? See, if I show you. See, Reference is a sys user. But why I cannot select your name? Tanvi, Arun, anyone names I cannot able to select it here. Go to the incident table, check this attributes, how this has been defined. Then you understand. So another homework, one thing to be understand, second thing to be understand. Arun, hope you are noting on all the questions.
Yep, I'm noting here.
Okay, good. Now this thing has been done. Atul still not liking it, yeah. New section. It is a name? No. Then what to do? Let's go here. Same thing. Right click and go to the configure form design. It will open. Let's rename it. Personal info. Okay. Same thing you can do from the form layout as well. These things called the sections. You want to create a new section, you can see section. You want to create a new section? Yes. Click on the new. Details. Simple. When you fill the college form, it has the segregation: personal information, family information, education information, and finally disclaimer. Okay, what do you want to add in the income detail? I want to add the first name. I'm just reusing my attribute once again and click on the save. Fine for me, no problem. So it has been there. First name is appearing here. Okay, why did not change? Okay, we did not save it actually. Whatever. Now one thing appearing, side is not appearing. Need to be see what happened. Why only one thing is appearing, not this thing? Let me reload this page. One more learning for us. Never ever use the both things in the same time. That create a contradict here. So we are using the form layout and we're using the form design. So this particular thing override this particular stuff which we design in the form layout. It is like a code. I make a copy and you put some other copy on the top of that. It will override my copy then. Okay, so that is a recommended. Never ever use the both things in a one go. Both should be similar. There's nothing like, okay, if I make change here, it will be appearing. No, that is not a case. Either use the form design, either use the form layout. Let me put one more section here. Okay. Field type. What you want? I want choice. Click here. See, new choice. Yes. Annual income. 1. Default. None. Mandatory, no dependent. I am not putting here. Choice 1. 5 lakh. 1 crore. 1 crore है ना? हाँ. जितना मुझे लिख दो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And click on the close. See. Click save. You will be surprised that there's a multiple ways to do single work actually. Did we go to the table? No. Did we go to the choice? No. We just created one field. It worked for me. See. Happy? Yes, no. All fine, all correct. Any doubt, any question, any issue? These are called the sections. Clear hui baat? Everyone, let me open this screen. Harsha.
Yes, sir, clear.
Abhinuj. Yes. Where are you since morning? No, no voice.
Yes, I just joined late.
Okay, no problem. Arun. Any doubt? Any question? Prashant.
Yeah, no doubt. So I
Vishwajit.
No, Atul.
Tanvi.
No doubt, sir.
Dhanashri.
Sir.
After 1 hour, everyone has a doubt. Ashwani.
No doubt, sir.
Aishwarya. Okay, good, fantastic. So this is the one thing. Okay, that is the one thing which I want to show you. Let me give you one more homework here. Yes, Arun. Yes, Prashant, go ahead.
Your gender column is more than required length. Can we reduce that?
Which one? Sorry.
Gender
This one.
column. Gender above.
Ah,
Upside.
this one. Yes. See, go to the form design. Because there's a no field is appearing, so it's showing me like this only. Shouldn't be like this. 2 column, or you can reduce the length as well for this one. Generally, if you put the 2 column, only one is there, it takes a complete space for you. So either you can use a 1 column so that it's look good for you too as well. Okay. Now one more thing I'm giving to you here. All. Funnel icon. Make a queries. Okay, make a filter condition on the short description. Arun, just note this point. On the short description, caller, created date, category, and the assignment group. Okay. You need to create a 5 different filter condition on these fields and need to use the different operators given here. Why this is be required? I'm sure this is not be much required from the development perspective, but being a consultant, you should know this thing. Vinuj, Arun, you should know this thing, that how many operators are available here, how this operator work actually. What is the purpose of this operator? How I can pick, or how I can fill my or create my query for the filtration part. This is the another homework for you guys. Clear till this point? Yes or no? बताइए.
Yes, sir.
All clear, right?
So these operators are different for different column.
Sorry.
Operators are different for different column.
Yes, that is the point I am giving you this exercise, Dhanashri.
Yes.
Because if you go here and search for the short description, the operator count has been changed. Operator type has been changed.
Yes.
The reason I'm saying that do the practice for this thing, that what operators are available for what type of. I'll not say don't see the column. What type of column you are be asking? If you put assignment group, you're getting this thing as well. Reference. But if you put the short description, you're not getting this reference. That is the thing you have to be understand now. You have to do the exercise now. Try to put this and or operator as well in between. Okay.
Yes.
Oh. Thanks. Okay. Okay, let me go to this, what we have done. So we done introduction, update set, table, base table, code table, we done approximately. Let me go back. Okay, table form view we have done. Okay, if you want to know the version of your PDI or your instance, go here, mention a comment.stats.do. I can see that I'm on the Cubic patch 3. This is my build name. This is my build date. Okay, so in your official instances, you can go and check the version number. That is be important here. Okay, one more thing which I'm be thinking here to be show you here, table creation stats.do has been done. Yes, that is the important part. Okay, one more thing. I am putting sys underscore user dot list. Arun, note down this point. And if I put list, what is the difference between small list and the capital list? This question has been asked in the interview. Believe me, being a developer, you should know this thing. Consultant is fine, but being a developer, you should know this thing, that what is the difference between list and list. You will say, Atul, are you mad? What is this? List means list and list. Both are the same 4 character, 4 alphabets word. But the purpose, the words, the meaning has been totally different here. Do a practical at your end. Arun, hope you noted down this point. We done this part, we done on the form layout and design. Yes. Okay, so guys, till now, let me stop the recording first because okay, any other doubt, question, clarification? Anyone till this topic?
No, sir.
Okay, and always make sure you are using your update set, guys. That is important. Okay, don't forget to check that what update set I'm using it. Okay, let me stop the recording here then.